Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of home decor with a focus on one of our favorite design elements, wallpaper. If you are looking to transform your living space into something truly captivating, you have come to the right place. So let's get started. Wallpapers have come a long way since the classic floral patterns of the past. Today they offer an array of stunning designs, textures, and colors that can effortlessly breathe life into any room. Whether you are aiming for a modern, chic look or a cozy rustic feel, there is a wallpaper out there that perfectly complements your style. Many people shy away from wallpaper, fearing complicated installations, but fear not. With modern advancements, installing wallpaper has become easier than ever before. Peel and stick options make it a breeze, and you can even do it yourself. And if you ever want to switch things up down the line, removing wallpaper is now a simple and a mess free process. Say goodbye to the days of scraping off old wallpapers for hours. Wallpaper isn't just for covering all four walls, it's an excellent tool to create captivating accent walls that add personality and depth to a space. From bold patterns and metallic accents to nature inspired designs and vintage motifs, there is something for every taste and preference. Wallpaper isn't just limited to walls, it can also be used to accent wall can instantly become the focal point of any room, and you can choose from an array of bold patterns or subtle textures to suit your taste. The beauty of wallpaper lies in its versatility. From the living room to the bedroom, from the kitchen to the home office, there is nowhere wallpaper can't make a difference. You can experiment with different designs to create a unique atmosphere for each space, ensuring your home reflects your individual style. Before you dive into your wallpaper journey, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Number one, start with a small space. If you are new to wallpaper, to get comfortable with the installation process, consider the room's lighting and the size when choose the right pattern or color. Don't be afraid to mix them and match wallpaper designs for a truly unique look. So whether you are looking to refresh a single room or give your entire home a makeover, remember that wallpaper can be your ultimate design. Home decor trends are constantly evolving, and wallpaper is no exception. Embrace the latest trends to keep your space feeling fresh and up to date. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and share it with